The term supporting documents is used 266 times in the ELD mandate final rule. It's important to the FMCSA and to you. The regulations require up to 8 supporting documents for every 24-hour period a driver is on duty. There are 5 types of supporting documents. Bills of ladings, or documents that indicate the origin and destination of each trip. Dispatch and trip records, expense receipts, electronic mobile communication, and payroll records or documents that indicate payment to a driver. Coming up with enough documents isn't as challenging as some might think. Some routine events can provide multiple supporting documents. For instance, a driver in-gates at the terminal and the carrier keeps a gate record. Dispatch sends assignments to the driver's truck. The driver arrives at a customer's facility, picks up a loaded trailer, and gets a time-stamped bill of lading. Then, the driver stops at a truck stop, scales the load, and tops off the tanks. This single example created at least 5 supporting documents. The fact is, many fleets struggle with the organization and management of supporting documents, and that's not good, especially in the case of an audit.